In this video, I will show you how to set up two-step verification for Apple ID. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up the Settings app on our phone. Then go ahead and tap on your name right here at the top of your screen. Once you do, select Sign In and Security. And right here under Security, you're going to have two different options. You can either change your password or set up two-factor authentication. Go ahead and select that option. Now here you have different options. You can either use one of your Apple devices or you can use your phone number. So go ahead and select the option that you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and do it with my Apple Watch. So I already have two-factor authentication set up on my phone. As you can see, every time I log into my Apple ID account, I'm asked to verify it either on my phone number, which I can see at the bottom, or the other Apple devices that I have. If you don't have two-factor authentication, you're going to be asked to set it up. You can choose your preferred method. You can either do it with another device that you have or with your trusted phone number. If you choose to do it with your phone number, you do have to verify it, and you're going to do it through a code that Apple is going to text you. And all you have to do is to enter the code and complete the setup. Hope this helped.